Hello and welcome to PM's Lounge. This is a quick video where I'm answering a question that I got in comment, and I think this is a question that a lot of people have. And the question is, can a person become a project manager without the IT sector? Like prior experience as a regional manager in the education field. So, first of all, without the IT sector, of course, you can become a project manager because project manager position is industry agnostic, right? So, you have project managers in different fields in pharma, in construction, even in manufacturing, in telecom, right? So, you have project managers in several fields out there. You don't need to be in the IT sector to become a project manager, and you don't need to have experience in the IT sector to become a project manager. Secondly, if you have prior experience as a regional manager in the education field, the problem there would be that you might not know project management, and that is the reason why it is difficult for someone to switch from a non project management field into project management because you don't know project management. If you become a project manager and someone were to ask you about sprint, someone were to ask you about critical path, right, you don't even know those terms because you have never studied project management, you have never professionally managed projects in your career, right? So you need to have project management knowledge to become a project manager. That's the first and foremost requirement. The second requirement, of course, is a relevant project management work experience. So, for the first requirement, I would highly urge you to look into professional certifications like CAPM, Certified Associate in Project Management. This is a certification offered by PMI specifically for those who have no prior project management experience. We also have a comprehensive course, Project Management for Non-Project Managers. I'll share a link to that course in the description below. It's totally free. Go over it. You will get a hang of what project management is. That is your first step. Once you get the education of project management, that's when you start to apply for roles like junior project managers, associate project managers, project management officer, roles like these that do not necessarily require extensive project management experience. So that's step one. Step two is also to work on your own resume, work on your own skills. Now that you have learned project management with those certification and the course that I mentioned, right, you should look back at your resume, at your professional experience, and think from the mind of a project manager. Think about the activities that you have done on your existing job. What can be represented as a mini project that you manage, right? So highlight them in your resume, speak about them in your job interviews, showcase that you have done something around project management, something that's close to managing projects, even if your job title was not a project manager, right? So that's step two. And finally, I would say the best way to get into project management is to look for project management positions within your existing organization, because you've been working there, a lot of people already know you. So if your organization has any project manager role or project management related job roles, try to target them, try to find out what is the requirement to apply for such roles, and try to make that change within your organization. It will be much easier to do so versus trying to get a job in project management outside your existing organization. So, those were some of the tips that I wanted to share in this quick video. If you have any questions, definitely drop them in the comments and I'll try to get back to you. We answer all comments possible, and if your comment is something that can help others out, we make videos just like this one. I'll catch you guys in the next one. If you're not subscribed, definitely consider subscribing and hit the like button if you found this video informative. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye bye.